To demonstrate joins, subqueries, and custom expressions, we'll use a use case that calculates turnaround time in LeadSquared Analytics, the average time it takes for users to register an activity after a lead is created. First, we need a subquery and a join. This is needed because lead details like created on are stored in the leads table, while activity records are in the activities table. By joining these two in a subquery, we can connect each lead with its activities. In the Data section, select New Query. Then select Leads and join it with activities on related prospect ID. This ensures every activity is mapped back to its lead. Next, add the lead prospect ID field to the grouping. Now, let's calculate the lead's entry time as the lead created on date. Next, we'll calculate the earliest activity date for each lead. We'll use a custom expression with min, which scans all the activities and returns the first time an activity was logged. Now that we have both the lead creation date and the first activity date, we can save this subquery and use it in the main report. In the main report, place the owner field in rows. Then create a custom expression that calculates the average difference between lead created on and first activity date. This gives the turnaround time per owner. Sometimes, leads may not have any activity dates at all. To exclude these, we add a 2-year filter to consider only activity dates greater than a specific year. We can format the results in minutes, hours, or days depending on the analysis. Here's what the finished report looks like. For example, if a lead was created on Jan 1 and the first activity logged on Jan 3, the turnaround time is 2 days. That's it for this video. More details and resources are linked in the description. Thanks for watching.